Good morning, everyone. It's more than a month since the lockdown happened. Our provisions have actually run short now. Our fridge is almost empty. So we don't have any choice. I need to go out and buy some provisions, maybe buy some meat or fish. And also I wanted to show you the lockdown situation here. So let's go ahead and see what happens. Anyway, I need to go out now and I need to prepare myself. See you. So eye protection check, face mask check, hand sanitizer check. So all is good and it's now time to go out. So I know this rickshaw guy and I had his contact number, so I called him up and I told him to wait for me outside the society gate because currently with this situation they are not allowing anyone into the society, and he'll take me to the wet market, that is the chicken and the fish shop, and I'll buy a few things and then I'll come back. So I just found out that the vendors were sitting on the road. They'll be shut down by 11. So I guess in this area people are still following the timings. They open the shop early and they shut by 11. I bought some prawns and some chicken, and now I have to go and buy some dry provisions. So I'll catch up with you later. So as usual, there's a long queue in front of Reliance Fresh, and to be honest, it's really hot here outside. And I hope I don't have to stand in queue for a long time. So let's see what happens. Okay, thank you. अब बढ़िया था So this society has two gates. They're not allowing any external people to come in, and the best part is they sanitize you before you come in. না না এটা ইউজ করে ইউটিউবে ছাড়ে স্ক্যানারটা কোথায় গেল কোনটা আরে কি হলো কি সুবল এই দেখুন কি অবস্থা ये तो मेरा कैमरा अच्छा मैं टावर 7 4B4 একটু দাঁড়ালে এইতে দেখো এই কালকে টাকাটা পেয়েছিলে 1000 পেয়েছিলে At this society they're pretty strict actually. All the people entering, they're checking their temperatures, they're noting down the name whoever goes out and comes in, and also they give hand sanitizers at the main gate, so which is kind of a good initiative taken by the society. So after standing in queue for more than an hour, I finally got all the things that we require, and now on my way to the apartment.
Why? How?
So I just reached home, and before I give the package inside, I'll spray some disinfectant on the top of the outer surface of the packages. So the packets have been disinfected, and now it's time for me to go inside. I'll go inside, take a shower, throw all my clothes and laundry, and then only I'll touch anything in the house. So guys, I just finished my shower. Now I can go and eat my lunch. I hope you saw a glimpse of the situation here in Calcutta, and I hope you enjoyed the video. In case you have not subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to press the subscribe button below and the notification bell if you don't want to miss out on our next upload. So till next time, bye bye guys, see you again, bye.